Kimber states that Kimber fixed-sight pistols are regulated to shoot point of aim at 25 yards. For this trial evaluation, a combat distance of 7 yards is the call of duty for today. Longer distances will come later. As a side note, a friend of mine once stated that he liked to shoot a new 1911 dry. I am the same way, and then I reload. However, that is not what he meant. He meant shooting a new pistol with no lubrication. He claimed that the pistol bedded itself better than slicking things up. I told him that was like running a new engine with no oil. For me, I ensure that all the slidey and other contact surfaces are as lubricated as they should be. For this range outing, I am keeping things simple. 50 rounds of 230 grain FMJ and 20 rounds of 6-hour V-Crown 230 grain JHP for some defensive load testing. A magazine full of 230 grain FMJ for familiarization, such as felt recoil, point of aim versus point of impact, and grip and trigger finger position. Then it was time to get down to business, and I went to work with some Mozambique drills. The last little exercise is to run a magazine or two through the Mozambique drill with defensive ammunition, the 6-hour V-Crown 230 grain JHP. Now, I am not one who will spend months and months, round after round of shooting a firearm for a review, unless I am constantly carrying the firearm on a daily basis. I am usually spending a very short time with the firearm, and, to me, first range day leaves the greatest impression of what the firearm is capable of. I was surprised. There were no FTEs or FTFs. I was expecting several, given what I have heard and read about Kimber pistols that are new and just out of the box. Accuracy? The Kimber Stainless II is accurate. The only thing that I can tell you is that the pistol is more accurate than I can make it. Being an old soul with wobbly hands, shaky knees, and can no longer see out of my left ear or hear out of my right eye. With that said, once I figured out what the pistol was telling me, Kimber Stainless II somewhat made me look like I knew what I was doing. Note that the provided Kimber magazine was used, although I deemed it inferior to most. The Wilson Combat 8-round magazines with bumper pads work extremely well. The 6-hour V-Crown 230 grain JHP ammunition, well, it ran like it was made for this pistol. Anyway, let me quit yakking in your ear and let you observe how the Kimber Stainless II and I partnered up during the range session.